you're experiencing a server timeout error in CS2, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. Step 2. Restart your router. Power off your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary network issues. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Steam, go to your library, right-click on CS2, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for and fix any corrupted files. Step 4. Adjust firewall settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking CS2. You can add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Change server region. In the game settings, try changing your server region to a different one. This can help you connect to a less congested server and reduce the chances of a timeout. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in CS2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.